How to upgrade your earpads on your SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless gaming headset. Here we have a SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless gaming headset. On the right, I have original earpad on here. So this common problem is the middle component piece pushes on the ears and causes discomfort and is super annoying. So a lot of people have been complaining about that. We have a solution for that issue here. We have our Central Sound Premium Extra Large upgraded earpads. They're thicker. They stick out from the ear cup more to prevent that ear pain issue. So I'm going to show you how to install these. Super simple. You do not need a special adapter or anything like that. I know there's some out there, but you don't need that. So we have several different types. Here we have our cooling gel replacement earpad, which has a cooling gel layer at the top, moisture wicking cloth, and cooling gel infused memory foam. Here we have our protein leather type, which is just a protein leather type of material, vent holes in the middle, and also premium memory foam as well. Next, we have our hybrid model, which is a velour type of surface that touches the skin material, and then the premium memory foam as well. Very slow bounce back, very structurally sound material, and vent holes in the middle. So really easy to replace these. I'm going to show you how to remove the original earpad. So you would just pinch the material and pull away from the ear cup, and it unclips. There's a little plastic ring that holds the earpad to the ear cup, and it comes off fairly simply. So we're going to remove the earpad material, and we're going to use the plastic ring involved. So you just need some scissors. You want to cut it right about here, right above the plastic ring piece. And then you just cut all the way around. You remove the foam material. As you can see, it is different. It's not as dense as ours. Then you want to cut away this excess material here. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you find this video helpful so far. Once the excess material is removed, you can remove this protein leather type of material that's glued to the ring. So it comes off pretty easily. You just pull on it and it should come loose. And once that's removed, you would attach this plastic ring back to the ear cup without any ear pad on it. So you would just attach the ring to the ear cup, just like it was originally, and you just position it properly and it clips right back into place. So you just want to apply pressure all the way around to make sure all the clips are secure and are attached to the ear cup. Just like that. And once it is fully attached, you can install our replacement earpads here. You can purchase these from us in the description and in the comments. There'll be a link pinned so you can order those. And you just want to line it up properly in there. There is a little slot in there that you want to work the rim of the earpad into. So it might take a little bit, but it will get in there, and once it is in there, you kind of hold it with your one hand and then work the other section with the other hand. And just kind of work your way all the way around. So as you can see, they are installed right now. So you can position and twist them into a different position if you want to. So there you have it, and that is what they look like when they are installed. They are secure and they are pretty stable, and definitely a huge upgrade from the original earpads. You can tell a difference immediately once you install these and wear them. So yeah, if you have that ear pain issue or you just don't like the ear pads, these are definitely an awesome solution for you. Once again, you can purchase these from us at centralsound.co. If you do like the ear pad, the original ones, and they are just worn out, we also have those available if you want to order the OEM style type of ear pads with the plastic ring already attached. We have those as well, these ones here. So